Hello, San Francisco MIBs. Guess what? We get to spend more time together. This time it's on the subject of financial management. I hope you find it more interesting than accounting. I do, so hopefully you do too. It tends to be something that we use a lot in terms of the information we learned in accounting, but now being able to use it to do something with it, whether it's in financing a company, analyzing a company, doing valuations, or doing projections. So now we're moving to the state where we're using the accounting information rather than generating the financial information. So this video is going to go through some of the basics of our course together, not into any content today. There'll be time for that. The course topics and learning outcomes as found in my courses are just repeated on this slide. The course topics cover all the major topics in finance, including financial analysis, time value of money, bonds, risk and return, stock and valuation, cost of capital, capital budgeting, firm valuations, and investors and sustainability. The course learning objectives are for you to know the models, framework, and processes that we use in finance, whether those are in analysis or in looking at the stocks and bonds or valuation of companies. The second learning objective is look at analytical techniques for developing recommendations to management. And these would consider more things than simply what is straight finance. It's what is the ethical or the context in which business decisions are made. The course assignments and grading are as follows. Most of the assessments here are going to be individual based. The final exam is going to be 40% of the grade on Tuesday, March 16th. We'll have quizzes once a week to cover the material covered during that week, and that's going to be on Fridays. So there'll be 3 of those. And then there's going to be homework after each class where we cover new content. So on days that we have new chapters, there will be homework following that class. Then there's going to be a team project, and this is on company valuation, where you're going to use the techniques that we're going to learn in this class to do a discounted cash flow analysis to value the company that you're trying to understand. You recall in accounting, we didn't really learn how to do valuations. We learned how to do some financial analysis, but not how to do the forward-looking projections and discounted cash flow to get to a stock valuation as of today. So that's what we're going to do in this course. The schedule is as follows. Each of the 3 weeks will have new material and then followed by a quiz and mini cases on the Friday. On Monday through Thursday of the first week, we'll cover chapters 1 through 5. In week 2, we'll also have 4 class days and then the quiz and mini case day, and we'll cover 4 chapters. And in the third week, you'll note that we only have 3 days of new material, followed by a day of presentations, and then again, the weekly quizzes and mini cases. Our final exam will be on Tuesday, March 16th. The book we've selected is Financial Management by Brigham and Earhart, and you'll find the ISBN number here. Also, it's in my courses in the module section. And the new book would cost $255. However, given the short duration of our course, it's probably wise to rent the book for $49, and you'll find this on Amazon. We use, as we did in accounting, the flipped classroom, where all the material we're going to cover during the workshops will be in videos. And then we're going to use the material from the videos to do problems and cases and further discussion in the classroom. And then after our time together, you'll have time to work together on homework assignments and learning how to apply this to your project. So what do you do between now and February 22nd? Well, you have other courses to attend to. I understand that. But I'd suggest that you get the book, whether that's the hard copy or the rental, and then you watch the 3 videos so you don't fall behind. You could skip ahead and do a little binge watching if you'd like. It probably makes more sense if you do it as we go, but you should feel free to watch ahead in videos because I posted all of them, I think, except for one, which is the last topic of the course. So definitely watch the videos for our first class on February 22nd. All right. So I look forward to working with you again and see you on the 22nd. Goodbye.